One of the biggest challenges facing the NHS is integration, making all care services work for the patient. NHS Dorset Clinical Commissioning Group is working with its health and social care partners to provide services which meet patients' expectations for modern and responsive healthcare delivery. Nick Thatcher reports.
Hello, Mrs. Williams.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Delivering care closer to home and ensuring it meets the often complex needs of individual patients is a key aim of Dorset CCG.
So if I start with popping this on your finger.
It ensures people can access services wherever they live, helps them to stay well for longer and prevents unnecessary hospital admissions. And because healthcare services are integrated, a patient's GP can arrange follow-up appointments by phone through a single point of access.
I wonder if I can organise a weekend visit of an ECP for Mrs. Williams, please.
OK, and can you just confirm the first line of their address?
The hub handles inquiries from across the county 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and aims to provide the most efficient and effective healthcare and support.
It is particularly useful to me as a clinician because I only have to pick up the phone, speak to them, tell them exactly what I need, and then they can bring up the list of options that I could do A, B or C. And then we have this discussion and I can choose what exactly is going to be the best possible service to my patient.
The single point of access is operated by the ambulance service and it sits alongside one of Dorset's 999 call centres, the 111 control centre and the GP out-of-hours service. It works not only in partnership with these services but also the community and voluntary sectors and is open to all healthcare professionals to use.
So to have somewhere that has a repository of all of that information, which is up to date, they know exactly who's around, what's available. Again, different times of day, there are different services which are only available for certain hours during the day. I don't know when those services are available. They do, and that's what's great about it.
It really helps being co-located, and there's also a lot of goodwill between the services, and there's no element of competition. We're all working to achieve the same goal, and that's good patient care, which is tailored to that specific person.
The single point of access here in Dorset is all about making sure the right care is in the right place at the right time. And another way in which services have been integrated is in Bridport, where health and social care professionals come together to meet regularly to discuss individual patient cases.
Has everyone got a copy of the list of the people that we're going to review who are on the active caseload?
This is what's known as the virtual hospital round, where different community teams meet to discuss patients with multiple and often complex health needs, and where they can access more specialist support.
What we've managed to achieve in Bridport is to draw the entire community staff under one roof. What this means for staff is that they feel more supported and they work better in a team. What it means for patients is that we're providing a better service closer to home, we're providing better palliative care, and if they do need to go into hospital, they spend less time there.
The community teams have very capable expert staff in them. What they haven't had previously is easy access to medical expertise. And that means that managing complex patients often involved referring those patients to different services. By making myself available to those teams easily and often informally, they can continue to manage those patients. I can visit the patients at home when necessary. And the patient has to do much less moving around of the healthcare system.
If you can take nice deep breaths for me, please.
This is one of the models of integrated services the CCG wants to roll out across Dorset, and one other parts of the country can learn from. Here, the NHS is working to ensure patients receive the best care, no matter where they live, at a time and in a place that's best for them.